Stay off the information highway. That is what a judge demanded of the jury now seated for the DUI manslaughter trial of a Wellington polo mogul.
But when the trial opens tomorrow, experts say there may be fresh questions probing the impact of ongoing news coverage. News Channel 5's Dan Corcoran is live at the Palm Beach County Courthouse to explain. Dan?
Well, this is a civil case development that could have major implications when it comes to John Goodman's criminal trial. That all depends on the jurors and if they're following the judge's instruction to avoid all media coverage of this high-profile case.
Courtroom observers in the John Goodman case say lawyers on both sides will want to know if jurors are aware of the latest headlines.
It's an elephant in the room, the civil settlement.
Word of a confidential multi-million-dollar civil settlement came last Friday between Wellington polo mogul John Goodman and the family of Scott Wilson. The jury was seated before the news broke, but sent home for the weekend to await opening statements Tuesday in Goodman's DUI manslaughter case.
The timing of the release or the leak that there was a settlement is curious.
Goodman is accused of driving drunk in February 2010, the night his car slammed into Wilson's. The impact sent Wilson's vehicle into a canal where the 23-year-old drowned.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much.
Before Goodman's criminal trial begins, the judge may want to question jurors about whether they know about the civil case settlement, despite orders to stay away from all news coverage.
If any of these jurors have been exposed to any pretrial publicity and are being influenced one way or another because of this civil settlement, they should not be jurors on this case.
Legal analyst Michelle Suskauer says prosecutors and defense lawyers must worry about the possibility of news leaks for a few reasons. Because the Wilson family has been compensated, the 6 jurors and 2 alternates, Suskauer says, might let Goodman off easy.
Money's not the issue.
Or the settlement could be viewed as an admission of Goodman's guilt. Either side could be in a position to ask for a mistrial. If the judge agreed, jury selection would start over.
The jury really shouldn't know about this. It has absolutely nothing to do as to whether or not John Goodman committed a crime that night.
Now, in theory, a jury would always follow instructions of a judge to stay away from news coverage, but with a high-stakes case like this, lawyers tomorrow will likely be testing that theory before opening statements. Those opening statements set for 8:30 a.m. tomorrow. Reporting live at the Palm Beach County Courthouse, I'm Dan Corcoran, WPTV News Channel 5.